I have come up with a very important concept today as a part of my motivation lectures. You know what? Everyone needs motivation. Whether you are working in a software company, whether you are studying, whether you are working, anything, whatever you do, whichever place you are, whatever profession that you are in, whichever occupation that you do, you need a lot of motivation. It means if I have a motivation, what is the advantage? If I have a motivation, basically what happens, I will be excellent at my work. I will be able to increase my proficiency. I will be able to increase my efficiency. I will increase my productivity. I will increase my quality. I will study very well. I will write exams very well. I would be get going. I will face any challenges in life. Most of the time what happens is, since we are not motivated, we will not be able to do things properly. Then the question comes, what exactly is the meaning of being motivated? See, I always motivate myself before I come to the class and start teaching, because I have that passion of teaching. So therefore what happens, since I'm always motivated, I have that excellency in my classes. Anybody, if you are a player, if you are motivated in that game, definitely you will be giving the best. If in case you're not, no. So motivation makes us excellent. Motivation gives us a lot of excitement. We are all supposed to be motivated. We need to have that motivation. Boys and girls, guys, I want to tell you one very important thing. There are 6 things that are actually damaging our motivation. The first one is that fear. We always have a fear. When we have a fear in whatever we wanted to do, it slows down. We won't be able to do anything. We always have that feeling that we are not better. We are not capable of doing it. Having fear is nothing wrong. You have a fear, I have a fear, everybody has a fear. There's nobody who doesn't have a fear. How to overcome is a very important thing. Simple, you have a fear because you always think that you lack something. You have to find out that thing and start eliminating it. If you don't eliminate it, then you will face problems. The second important thing is wrong goals. You must have set wrong goals. Goals which are actually suitable to you did not set. You always wanted to achieve something, but you have set a wrong goal and you are pushing yourself so hard to achieve something and to reach some goals, but you are not able to achieve. Because that is why I always insist on young people, you need to set a right goal. A goal according to your resources, a goal according to your passion, a goal according to your taste, goal according to your circumstances, goal according to your education, goal according to your capabilities and skill set that you have and experience that you have. These things would definitely make us, because all of us do things. Many of us are doing something. Few of us are excellent. Few of us are not excellent because of this. Because you need to be motivated always. This motivation is very important for you. It is a constant feature. The third important thing is, many a times what happens, whatever you want to do, you don't have a clarity, or whatever you wish to do, you don't have a clarity. Lack of clarity leads to many problems. Lack of knowledge leads to many problems. The next important thing is, sometimes you do things but you are not actually in principle ready for it. Means the values that you have, ethics that you have, morals that you have, all judgmental things that you have are actually not allowing you to do. It's because you never wanted to do it. Your conscience is not accepting. Many times when we do things, when our consciousness is not actually accepting, we wanted to have something but we end up doing something. Therefore, we are not motivated. We just go on doing things. How long will you do? How long will you do? You want to do this whole life, you want to do something which you don't like? Something which you don't like? This is very important. What you have inside has to reflect outside, right? The next important thing is, many young people nowadays, they always feel low. I could see some status, WhatsApp status and Facebook status, people say feeling low and a nice smiley. This is because you don't have relationships, and those relationships you did not establish. Because of lack of relationship, you are not in a position to share your concerns to people. You need to build relationships, because we are not here to achieve something alone. We need some people, maybe a family member, maybe a friend, maybe anybody. Kind of relationship you need to establish so that you will share your concerns and you will get beautiful ideas. You will be relaxed. Many things happen like this. So you need to establish, develop human relationships. If you start feeling lonely, definitely you will face problems. Because our aim is to get motivated. Our aim is to be always motivated. You need to stay motivated. To stay motivated, you need to avoid all these things. First thing is fear, second thing is setting wrong goals, third thing is having clarity, fourth one is values conflict, fifth one is loneliness, and the last but not the least, I always find among the young people nowadays is they do something but they never face any challenges. Lack of challenges. The job is not so challenging. I mean, you feel like, yeah, what is there? Everybody is able to do, you're able to do. Everybody is actually able to do, and you're also doing the same thing. You don't feel like there is a kick in it. Because of that reason, also, you're not motivated. Just stay motivated. These six things, if you could avoid, and you need to, because you need to assess, like lots of fear is there, it slows down, so you need to assess what actually is the reason why am I having a fear. You feel lonely, it's because you always did not bother about establishing relationships, so you have to focus on that. You don't have a clarity or the knowledge, you have to start reading books, start learning something, start gaining some information, start collecting up some information, and that information is going to help you. Yes or no? And you need to always pick up something which is very challenging. Every day has to be challenging. You know what? Most of the people have been really successful because they picked up something which is very challenging. Everybody told them that it's not possible, but they picked up. Avoid these six things and stay motivated. Have a good day.